Hello friends, in this video we will learn how you can add your cancellation policy, terms and conditions, payment policies on your CRM. So once you will log in on CRM, you will be there on dashboard. On left hand side if you will click see, there is an option of tour package. Click on tour package, there is an option of payment policy. Click on payment policy. Once you will click on payment policy, it will ask you for the descriptions. So you need to enter your payment policy like 20% advance, 50% on arrival. Whatever your payment policy is, you can enter one by one your payment policy here. You can also edit and delete your payment policy here. So this is how you will add your payment policy. Now there is an option of terms and condition. Click on terms and condition. Here you need to add your terms and conditions. Enter your all terms and conditions and so this is how the terms and conditions will be there in your CRM. So one by one you can enter your terms and condition. Now cancellation policy. So here same thing, 20% cancellation before 15 days. Whatever your cancellation policy is, you can enter your cancellation policy here. 40% before 10 days. So here you can enter your cancellation policy. So this is how you can add your payment policy, terms and conditions and cancellation policy so that all the things will be showcased on your every packages sent by you to your clients, and your clients can view the payment policy, conditions, cancellations policies on every packages, because it is very important to showcase all these things on your packages. Thank you.